In this video, I'll show you how to post a job on LinkedIn. Posting a job on LinkedIn is a simple way to reach candidates directly on a platform built for professional hiring. LinkedIn's Help Center says you can create online job posts to advertise open roles, and jobs posted there can also be shared through your network for more visibility. To get started, sign in to your LinkedIn account and open the Jobs section. From there, click or tap Post a free job. LinkedIn's official job posting guide lists that as the standard starting point for creating a job post. Next, begin entering the details of the role. This usually includes the job title, company, workplace type, job location, and a description of the position. LinkedIn's help pages also point to posting best practices before you publish, which is useful because a clear title and strong description can help the right candidates understand the role faster. As you continue, LinkedIn may guide you through candidate preferences and screening setup depending on the type of job post you are creating. This helps shape who sees the role and can make it easier to review applicants later. LinkedIn also says that when you post a job, coworkers and close connections in your first-degree network may be notified so they can share the opening with their own networks. One important detail to remember is that LinkedIn says jobs must be posted from an individual member account using a real name, not from a company profile with a business name. The job can still be associated with your company's LinkedIn page, but the posting itself starts from a personal LinkedIn member account. After reviewing all the information, publish the job post. If you are starting with a free job post, LinkedIn will make the role live on the platform so candidates can begin finding and applying to it. LinkedIn also offers promoted job options for broader reach, but posting a free job is the simplest way to begin. A good tip is to double-check the job title, location, and description before posting. Small details can affect how visible the role is and how well it matches the candidates you want to attract. A well-written job post usually saves time later because applicants understand the role more clearly from the start. This is an inference based on LinkedIn's posting best practice guidance. That's how to post a job on LinkedIn. Open the Jobs section, click Post a free job, fill in the role details, and publish the listing so candidates can start applying. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.